Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all your liked videos on YouTube. If you have a huge videos on your liked list, and you want to remove it, just follow my steps and learn it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First step is to open your YouTube app on your device. Now we are on home page of YouTube, and next we need to go on Library BA, tapping on it in bottom right corner of the screen. And then you can see in playlist section a file with all your liked videos, and go to tap on it. On this menu is all your liked videos. Keep in mind that no one else can see video you liked on YouTube. This list is a private list, so don't worry about that. The first step to unlike videos is to tap on 3-dot of video, and then tap on remove from liked videos, and you remove like from that video. The second way is to open a video you want to remove, and simple tap on like button, and on that way you are remove like, and you are finish. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.